Hello, today I am cleaning the rug, the carpet. It has some stains, as you see there, and all the traffic edges around here. And when people give you a rug for free, how can you not accept? But I could. But the guys that own this house, they couldn't. So if you're going to give a carpet to somebody, at least have it dry cleaned. And hopefully that the people that get it for free will offer some kind of a stipend for cleaning it. But often people just say, you want it, take it. So with that comes circumstances. It's dirty. So I'm going to use this little Bissell machine that I never used before, never knew how. And thank goodness for YouTube people. And I'm doing it before I even have my morning coffee over here. But let's see how it goes. So this is the water tank on this side. You lift it up. You tip it upside down. You unscrew the top. There's a line here for the cleaning solution, which today I am using Oxy Stain and Spot Remover by Bissell. Then you fill it with water up to this line where you see the words. There we go, it says water. And you screw the cap back on. Now the cap has a little screen filter there to feed the water and solution. This side is for the debris, the dirty water, as you can see. Do not pour it down the tub. If you have another bathroom in the house, it will come up through the other tub, believe it or not. Do not pour it into a sink. Some people flush it down the toilet. Well, I have a problem with that. Toilets can get clogged too. Throw it outside. The top lifts off. This pops off, and then go empty it. And it'll let you know when it's full, which it isn't. Plug it in to a ground faulting plug. This machine will be a little noisy, of course. Turn the button on, and with the Bissell machines, you get a nozzle like this for a flat surface. There's the brush, and then it sucks up through the little holes. And to remove it, you would push this button and then take that off. This one is for a thicker carpet, and the brush spirals around. And we don't use this one. And it snaps on where you take that one off. But I'm using this one. As you push it, the brush collects all the little hairs and lint and what have you. But do vacuum your rug first. Push the button and bear with me with the noise. This lever here, it sprays out the solution. I'm going to spray out the solution on the downstroke. And you see how the dirt comes right up through there. You don't want to oversaturate it. And I'm going to push it forward. And even more comes. You see the little bubbles and dirt? I'm going to push the lever down again. without pushing the lever. And you proceed all the way until you get the whole rug done. It is a tedious process. So if you cannot afford a professional rug shampooer, which many have sales now, and you cannot get to the store to get one that you rent from the store, go ahead and invest in one. These are really great, especially if you only have 1 or 2 rugs in the house. Thank you for watching.